In this video, you will learn how to implement the list orders feature that allows the admin users to see all the orders made by the customers on the website. You see, in the admin section, the admin user can click the hyperlink orders here to see all the orders made by the customers when they are purchasing books on the website. And let's review the user interface design for the list orders. You see, all the orders made by the customers are displayed in a table format like this. The columns are indexed, order ID, order by, book copies, total, payment method, status, order date, and actions. Note that this is just general information about the orders. And to view the details of an order, the admin can click the details hyperlink here. And if he or she wants to edit and delete a particular order, he or she can click edit or delete hyperlink. And note that orders are sorted by the order date in the setting order.